Hello and welcome to our brief tutorial on Web3 domains. We will be discussing domain names, digital identification, and digital wallets. What are Web3 domain names? 1. Web3 domains, also known as decentralized domains or blockchain domains, are a type of domain name that is registered on a blockchain rather than through a traditional domain registrar. They are part of the Web3 ecosystem, which is focused on creating a decentralized internet that is more secure, private, and censorship-resistant than the current web. 2. Web3 domains are built on top of blockchain technology, which provides a distributed and immutable ledger for storing domain ownership information. This means that once a domain is registered on the blockchain, the ownership information cannot be changed or tampered with without the owner's permission. 3. One of the main benefits of Web3 domains is that they give users more control over their online identity and data. Since the domain owner controls the private key associated with the domain, they have complete control over what content is hosted on the domain and who can access it. This makes it more difficult for governments, corporations, or other centralized entities to censor or restrict access to websites. 4. Web3 domains are also designed to work seamlessly with decentralized applications, dApps, and other Web3 technologies. For example, a Web3 domain can be used to host a dApp, and users can access the dApp simply by entering the domain name into a Web3-enabled browser. Overall, Web3 domains are an important part of the emerging Web3 ecosystem, and they have the potential to fundamentally change the way we interact with the internet and each other.
Here's a few good reasons to buy a domain name. Historically, securing the right domain name has been crucial for building a strong online presence and positively impacting brands and marketing efforts. Here are some benefits of securing a good Web3 domain name. 1. Credibility. Having a good domain name adds credibility and legitimacy to your brand. A memorable and relevant domain name makes it easier for people to trust and remember your brand. For example, Diane, who just recently became a notary public, should consider securing the branded domain dianejones.notary. 2. Visibility. A good domain name can help increase visibility and attract more traffic to your website. A well-chosen domain name that is easy to remember and type can also improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for people to find your website. 3. Branding. A good domain name can help establish your brand and make it easier for people to associate your brand with your products or services. A strong domain name that aligns with your brand values and mission can help create a strong brand identity and differentiate your brand from competitors. 4. Investment. A good domain name can also be a valuable investment. Domain names that are easy to remember and highly relevant can appreciate in value over time, making them a valuable asset for your brand. Overall, purchasing a Web3 domain can be seen as a way to secure a unique digital identity, enhance security, create branding opportunities, future-proof your digital presence, and potentially invest in a valuable digital asset.
You can secure your Web3 domain in just a few steps. From any web browser. Type in www.notaryweb3.com. Type your desired domain name in the search bar. For example, if your name is Jane Doe, you would type janedoe.notary. If your domain is available, set up an account, add the domain to the shopping cart, and when you're done search for domains, enter your form of payment and purchase your unique .notary domain. Since we are also the domain registrar for .notary public, you also have the option of purchasing your unique .notary public domain. Like before, type your desired domain name in the search bar. For example, if your name is Jane Doe, you would type janedoe.notary public and add it to your shopping cart. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time. The support email is support@notaryweb3.com. That will conclude our presentation on Web3 domains. We encourage you to view the other videos in our tutorial library.